Cleanrooms are controlled environments with low levels of dust, airborne microbes, aerosol particles, and chemical vapors. These are crucial in industries such as semiconductor manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and aerospace, where even tiny particles can have a significant impact on the quality of products. Some of the common cleanroom designs are described in this lecture. This lecture forms part of the syllabus designed by TE&MC team on cleanrooms. Cleanrooms are classified based on ISO standards. ISO 14644-1 is commonly used for classifying air cleanliness in clean rooms. These can be permanent structures or modular in construction. Modular rooms allow ease of use at variable locations. Hardwall cleanrooms can be made from transparent acrylic, dissipative PVC, polycarbonate, or polypropylene panels, which mount either externally or internally to create smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces. All-steel support frame for strength and easy installation requires no external bracing. Stainless grade 304 and 316 or powder-coated steel construction resists most solvents, disinfectants and other cleaning solutions. Radius corners and raised, drained flooring is used for disinfectant wash down. These can be easily configured as a positive or negative pressure room, with AC and humidity control. In industries where fiber-reinforced composites are manufactured, the main requirement is to control temperature and humidity of workshop, to allow consistent quality and better processing of products. It is also essential for semiconductor manufacturing. Double-walled with raised floors environment is needed to have laminar flow in the confined space. These can have plastic or steel as construction material. These are ideal for safe removal of fine powders or chemical vapors. Adjustable ceiling ventilator draws air upward through HEPA filters and/or exhaust ductwork. Inlet filters ensure a clean working environment. This requirement is to protect pharmaceutical powders from external environment and biohazards. Negative pressure clean rooms are also advised for handling resins and epoxies during manufacturing. Other lectures on clean rooms describe clean room classes. Courses deal with basics of building clean rooms for industrial research and production. Links related to Technology Education and Mentoring Center are flashed on the screen.